Hello, beautiful people. I'm back again, and today I went to the northern part of Nigeria to bring you this beautiful, nutritious, and delicious drink, Kidirimo, to be known as local yogurt, so natural, no additive added. And this drink, they are very proteinous and easy to make. It is something you can make under 5 minutes. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get cooking. So first we have to wash our hands thoroughly, then extract the milk from the cow, then bring it home, after which you sieve out using a fine mesh to sieve out any impurity like sand or insect that may come with it. Then pour into the pot and take it to fire. Okay. Then after taking it to fire, allow it to cook for about 5 minutes while checking it from time to time, because this mix tends to boil out of proportion and just off the whole fire. Okay. So while boiling, try to stir with your local spoon from time to time. You don't want all the whole thickness to boil on fire, so don't be too far away from it. Stirring is never enough and it's never too much in the process of making this meat. So I asked my Fulani friends to tell me the difference between Nunu and Kidirimo, and she has this to say.
They cook and they will just filter and put her inside rubber.
So one cook for about 5 minutes, bring it out and allow it to cool down. Then after allowing it to cool for about another 5 minutes, pour it into a bowl containing a previous maishanu. This maishanu acts as a starter culture. It contains a special kind of bacteria which is very helpful in the process of fermentation of the new Kidirimo we are about to make. So after pouring, allow it to cool very well before covering till the next day. So on the next day, wash all your items properly in clean water. So this is our Kidirimo the next day, looking all swollen and all fermented. Do you know that butter can actually be gotten from this? Oh, this is a process I'm going to show you another day. So after on the second day after fermentation, depending on how sour you want your Kidirimo to be, you can leave till the third or fourth day, but for us this is it on the second day. So carefully remove the outer part of it, which you can see in the video. This outer part is used to make maishanu, a kind of oil. So after removing the upper part of it, which was used to make the mine channel, which I'm going to show you later on, this one was shaking together with another kind of special spoon, mixed together thoroughly to form our beautiful smooth Kidirimo. The upper part which was removed was later poured into this gourd and shaken together vigorously for many minutes, and in fact some hours. This process is labor intensive, but the outcome is really worth it. Okay. So cover your mixed Kidirimo and put it in your fridge or freezer for hours, depending on how cold or how solidified you want it to be. So this is our Kidirimo, looking all beautiful and this Kidirimo can be taken with honey, sugar, or any sweetener of your choice. It's just like yogurt. It is highly nutritious. It contains a lot of protein which and vitamins which are essential for good health and living. So the Kidirimo is now ready to be devoured by yours truly. Now who work the shop now? So You can elsewhere enjoy this drink at the comfort of your home. So thank you guys for watching my video. As usual, I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do turn on your notifications so you don't get to miss any interesting videos as new video drops every week. Thank you and see you on the next. Bye.